How to stream NBC Sports Boston. Open your device and connect it to the internet. Go to the App Store on your device. Search for Peacock, Hulu Live TV, Fubo, Direct TV Stream, or YouTube TV. Download and install the app you choose. Open the streaming app after installation. Create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Go to the subscription or plan section inside the app. Select a plan that includes NBC Sports Boston. Complete the payment process with your card or preferred method. After payment, return to the app home screen. Use the search bar and type NBC Sports Boston. Click on the NBC Sports Boston channel from the results. Wait for the channel to load and start streaming. Enjoy watching live games and shows on NBC Sports Boston. Thank you for watching.